Are you still wasting hours calculating payroll manually in Excel? In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully functional and dynamic payroll sheet, just in 3 minutes. Okay, let's get started. Here's our example. First, select your entire data range by pressing Ctrl+A. Now press Ctrl+T. Confirm that my table as headers is checked, and click OK. This instantly turns your data into an Excel table, making formulas easier to manage and automatically extend. In the next steps, we'll calculate gross pay, apply tax deductions, and finish with net pay, all step by step, using clear and practical formulas. In the United States, overtime officially begins after 40 hours in a work week. Click on cell E2, then type an equals sign to start your formula. Now enter if. Select cell C2, check if it's greater than 40. If the hours exceed 40, subtract 40 to get the overtime hours. If not, return 0. Your completed formula looks like this. Press enter, and Excel instantly calculate overtime for all employees. Next, let's calculate the overtime pay rate. In the United States, overtime is typically paid at 1.5 times the regular hourly rate. So Excel can handle this automatically. Click on cell F2, type an equals sign, select cell D2, then multiply it by 1.5. Press enter. This instantly calculates the overtime rate. Now let's calculate gross pay with overtime. This is where everything comes together. Go to column G, click cell G2, and start with an equals sign. Type minimum. Open parentheses, select cell C2, add a comma, then enter 40. Closing the parentheses. This ensures Excel only counts up to 40 hours as regular time, even if the employee worked more. Now, multiply by the hourly rate in D2. Next, add the overtime portion, E2 multiply F2. Press enter, and Excel instantly calculates the correct gross pay. Now let's calculate payroll taxes. Click cell H2, type an equals sign, select cell G2, that's your gross pay, and multiply it by 10%. Press enter, and Excel instantly calculates the federal tax amount. Next, move to column I, labeled State Tax 5%. In cell I2, repeat the same process, but this time multiply gross pay by 5%. Hit enter to calculate taxes for every employee automatically. If you have other deductions like insurance or retirement, enter them in column J. Now we're ready for the final step, calculating net pay, the amount employees actually take home. Click cell K2, and start with an equals sign. Select the gross pay, then subtract federal tax, subtract state tax, and finally subtract other deductions. Your complete formula looks like this. Press enter, and Excel instantly calculates net pay. Always convert your payroll range into an Excel table. That way, when you add new employees, all your formulas update automatically, no more manually copying them down. And that's it. You've built a fully functional payroll sheet using real employee data. If this helped you save time, hit like, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more practical Excel tips every week.